only human for a while. Feelings are spiritual, and you're connected to it all.